Right then everyone, so that does conclude the quarterfinals. We have come to the end of the quarterfinals, but unfortunately one person will be leaving us tonight. We can only take 9 people into the next stage before we make that last final decision for the finals. So we have made a decision, and the person that unfortunately will be leaving us this week, guys, and it was very, very tough, is Sam Archer. So Sam, you will be leaving us this week, but I want to start off before the girls speak with you. I want to start with saying well done to you. You've had a brilliant journey. You've learnt a lot of new things, that top end to your voice and stuff. So keep at it. So well done, buddy. Louise, what do you want to say?
Yeah, Sam, don't kind of take away from the journey you've come on this season, because if you look back to your first audition or your first couple of performances to where you're at now, you've progressed so much, and you've really started to kind of discover and learn who you are as an artist. So keep pushing forward. You've been an absolute joy to work with, through the, in lessons and through the competition, and just keep pushing forward, and I look forward to seeing what you do next.
Kelly?
Yeah, it's been an absolute pleasure to watch you this season, because I feel like you really gain a sense of yourself, really finding who you are and where you can go as an artist, and I hope you don't shy away from that now. I hope you use this as a stepping stone to keep exploring, and obviously just keep progressing. You should be extremely proud of what you've achieved. We've thrown songs at you would never normally do, and you've just pulled it out of the bag. So yeah, be completely proud, and I can't wait to see what you do in the future.